Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Take a look at the high water rushing down Kiefer Slough. The water rising high along the banks. Small whitecaps as it rushes under the overpass. This is right where it passes under Esplanade in North Chico. A completely different sight than just a few days ago. We're checking with Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff joining us in the Storm Tracker Weather Center. Jason, this water and rain and wind keeps pounding this area.
Yeah, different sight than we've had for days, weeks, months, and in most places, even a year over Northern California. It's welcome rain, but in some places we're getting a little bit too much. We still have a lot of advisories, watches, and warnings for flooding. So I'm just going to tell you right now, if you live anywhere near any of these burn scars, you need to stay vigilant. We're still going to have rain falling after the sun goes down, and you may not see when the water is rising. So make sure that you stay careful. Flash flood warnings out for the Dixie and Beckworth burn scars. That lasts through 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. Flood warnings for urban and small stream flooding also for extreme eastern parts of Lassen and Plumas counties. Also most of Northern California under flood watches and flash flood watches. The flash flood watches applying to all of our area burn scars. Those last through the wee hours of the morning tomorrow, and also a flood advisory out for southern parts of Glenn and Butte counties. That lasts until 2 o'clock tomorrow morning with additional rain. We've already received, a lot of places have had between 4 and 7 inches of rain, more than that in the mountains over the last 2 to 3 days. We have a lot of wind. We've had some very strong wind gusts. I showed you some of those gusts over 50 miles an hour. We still have wind advisories out through 11 o'clock tonight for the Valley and the foothills, and we still have a high wind warning out for Modoc County. That lasts until 2 o'clock in the morning. We haven't had as much wind around parts of Modoc County, gusts up to 40 miles an hour, but we've had wind gusts in excess of 60 to 70 miles an hour further south. And also, if that wasn't enough, we have a winter storm warning out for the Sierra. That lasts through 11 o'clock Monday night with a potential of up to 3 feet of snow possible over 7,000 feet. Most places, though, 1 to 1.5 feet. Temperatures have hardly changed today. It's mostly 40s in the higher terrain, which means mainly rain and not snow falling right now, but those snow levels will begin to fall down to 55 to 6,500 feet. And for the valley, temperatures also almost unchanged, mainly in the mid to upper 50s. The wind has been blowing right now. Altura says 29 mile an hour sustained wind, mostly between 15 and 25 around the valley, but we have had wind gusts over 50 miles an hour in Chico. Thankfully, it is getting weaker. Now, we still have plenty of wet weather all over Northern California, but there's a little bit less activity over Trinity, parts of Tehama, and Shasta County, Siskiyou County too. We still have a lot of that atmospheric river pushing all that moisture our direction. Now, looking at FUTURECAST, we're going to have a little bit less active weather overnight tonight through early tomorrow, but still some scattered showers, some more mountain snow possible. We'll actually have some sun breaks tomorrow afternoon at times over parts of the valley. Not so much the foothills and the mountains, but we'll have some more scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms, another chance for some active weather on Tuesday also, and then after we get past Wednesday, we have a brief break. We have a ridge of high pressure pushing back over. Thursday and Friday we'll have some more sunshine, warmer weather. Another minor disturbance wants to move our way by Saturday into Sunday, giving us another slight chance for some showers, but that will be nothing compared to what we have been going through and what we're still going through. So additional amounts of rain compared to what we've already received. A lot of places may only receive a quarter of an inch or so, so that's looking pretty good for us. Welcome rain has been there, but you live closer to the Plumas County area, Lassen County too. The precipitation amounts, rain and snow together, still could be a couple 3 inches of precipitation, which means a couple feet of snow are not out of the question, and also more rain on top of areas that are already burn scarred. So make sure you're cautious. Overnight lows tonight will be in the 30s in the mountains with 40s and 50s. In the lower elevations, hardly changing at all. Daytime highs tomorrow, 40s, 50s, and some lower 60s for us for your Monday afternoon. Again, we'll have some sun breaks at times around the valley, but still scattered showers are possible both Monday and Tuesday. A brief break though Thursday. Mostly sunny and 72 in Chico. That looks like heaven right now, but it was so nice to get this rain. And then for the Redding area, we'll also have 50s turning into the 70s by Thursday and Friday, cooling down over the weekend.